Hello guys and welcome back to another one sweet Nuzlocke. Last episode we almost again lost the Avengers 3 against Team Sword Jerk. So I was going didn't do some training. I did some training to Gummy who's at 45. We got Pinnacle, we got Moose, we got the almighty Helix Fossil, and we got Snorlax. And I thought Snorlax surf because our cat was other one to get over. And we got Helix for simply. And we Moose, just see this is so damn funny, I don't know why. But freaking Moose can learn fly. Don't ask me how, but I think it's related to the reindeer, cause reindeers can fly. So Moose can apparently fly. I don't know if can Stantliers really fly in the original games. If they can fly, I'm dumb. So I actually found where the heck is the EXP share. It's all the way to Berry City. So let's go there a little quick. Also the audio increase. Yeah, searching all the towns where to get the EXP share. I was checking, I was going to Fire and checking, and there was an aid who gives you the EXP share. I think it's the same thing, cause in Berry City if you come over here, there's a freaking aid. I didn't even see him. So hello there, how's your cookbook coming along? Your cookbook has 50 recipes for cooking sweets. I'll give you a reward. So Google, let me ask, do you have at least 50 XP? I actually don't know. So yes, oh yes. Great, you have caught that or won 53 kinds of Poke Sweets. Congratulations, we got the EXP share. Yeah, I was searching this EXP share in every path, every booth like this, every gateway. So yeah, we finally got the EXP share. So I don't know who I'm going to give the EXP share, but today we have to win. So I'm going to give it the almighty Helix Fossil. Even though we already have check tape, I'm going to give it the Helix Fossil just for fun. So today could be the end of the Nuzlocke because I'm kind of scared because we only have 3 Pokemon who can, I believe, can at least take on the Jitters. Purgesar, Pinnacle and Gummy. Snorlax is high level also. I thought him a Brick Break. I didn't mention I thought him Brick Break. So hopefully we can, if any odds come and Purgesar magically dies, we have Snorlax. So today, not the beginning of today we'll be taking on the Great Pine City Pokemon. We're taking on the Lavender. Lavender got 56, 67 wins and 15 losses. Man, I'm scared. Let's go inside. And of course we can't go inside. Outside, sorry. Yes, I know teleporting buses suck. How about asking trainers for direction? Man, this guy knows the truth. How about asking trainers direction? So let's go battle you, sir. You understand, don't you? The power alone isn't to win. I don't know what to say about that. So hopefully we can win you. Juggler Huron, the Pan Twisted Dose One. I mean, he had great punch on Emo Slug and, I mean not Emo Slug, like, what's his name, Emo Pie, but he died. So also I'm going to save PP on Liquor Whip, because that's going to be our only attack. So Mud Pie. But even though if we use our Liquor Whip, I think we have some Electors. Once we had those Slug. But hey, Mintrit, yeah, show them the spirit. Almighty Helix Fossil. Love Blades, don't do a scratch on me. Also, I'm going to try to avoid speeding up barrels. You know what? This is just those luck. Because every time I speed up, I at least feel that one death this year. Now take the top left. Oh, do they tell me? Oh, that's good. Left, okay, took the top left, bro. Now what to do? Yo, do you know the directions? Does our unseen power scare you? Kind of not. Lollywalk and Great Palm, I see them. I see, wow, we did like nothing. Oh, I see. Great Palm. The Skylight can't see. I don't have anything. Wow. Wow, the double. I was like, wow, one shot, okay, that's good, but freaking no. Also got like lots of hidden items, so no need to worry on them. And Mintonite learning the moves. I actually asked Mintonite because he's a Helix Fossil and we didn't have any other Pokemon to train except Buzzle. Oh, Ember. Oh god, Great Palm. You guys are screwed. Ember, I don't care. Secret Power Mud Pie. Thank you, I force on this. Tell me the direction. The bottom left. I think that's why I came from. I don't know. So, oh. That was a guess, but we made it to Sabrina, but I'm not going to take on her because I need some EXP. So we can battle almost the trainers here. Almost there. I am all that's in your way. Okay. Oh, you have only one Pokemon damage. So I'm going to lick with you because you're only a single battle. Okay, that's not effective. Lick her with. Bye bye, sucker. And maintain them level. Bottom left, just go. I know I already went there. So I'm going to battle most of the trainers so that we get some experience. If you come here, then you're going to dot exclamation mark. Oh, why? Oh gosh, Will they were holding a cake. Wait, why isn't that super effect? That's what I confused Ray. Oh, let's go for Mudpie. I think it's partly chalk. Great punch. I think you're partly chocolate. Yep. I am right and you're wrong. Also, when we Helix evolve, I don't know. I should go battle others. So let's go battle you. Let's go battle you. I think you took the wrong turn. Yeah, I know that with Jimmy, but I'm not stalling. I am training. Yeah. Secret power. Maintain 90 them level. It's good thing that we're training because Minternet can gain all the levels. Oh god. Okay, that I guess that will much more. I think Nightshade does according to the level. So I actually forgot how to go, but you know what, I think I already battled you. You understand, don't you? The power is not. Wait, we battled this guy. Oh gosh, that was Therot. He was the first guy battle. Okay, looks like trainers respawn. Can we unlimited training? Ooh, that's interesting. But that will be like cheating. Also, you get like lots of money. I don't want to do that. So I forgot how to go to the gym there. Just kidding. Oh, that was luck. So yeah, let's go to take on last girl. Wait, we already took you. I already took you, but don't worry. Okay, well developed. Mudpie. Maintain now 20. I think we are ready to take on the gym leader of the great gym type gym. Also, hopefully we have some elixir. Oh, we have. Then all moves. Oh, I don't care. Do everything. Okay, we had an ether item to see that. The government will see how much. Oh, secret power not doing that much. Let's do secret power of HP. I don't know, bad actually, but I think it's going to be that. It won't be that hard. So let's take on Sabrina, but I forgot her name. Hick! Hey, you're not one of my hick drinking buddies. Why? You want my wine hick? You can't have that. Are you drunk? Why is that hick coming? Sabrina, I forgot her name. Leader Lavender. With her whimsy vine and great P-Palm. Level 45. I think the same level as us. Yep. Also I realized that we can do something. Nothing. That's what I realized. Oh, what should I do in this situation? What move should I use? That was wrong, but okay. We got Great Corn and Whimsy Vine. So I'm not going to speed up because we need to think. So I'm going to sleep floor Great Form. Also that Gummy learned that. So because Great Form won't be that train after the what. So I'm going to put him to sleep sometime. We're going to liquor with Whimsy Vine. Oh yeah! And since you're fast asleep, you can do anything. But you can do meditate. I can attack those. Yep. Okay, let's go for Liquor Whip and Secret Power. And Gummy is fast. Oh, that's doing decent. Liquor Whip should take down Whimsy Vine. Bye bye, Whimsy Vine. Fudgesaw, Gummy and Mint and Mite with all the 7, 2, 3 EXP. Oh, Slugnet, I see, you're trying to remind me of Pokemon. As you know, that's my one weakness. So we're going to Secret Power and Liquor Rip so that we can take out like a one shot. Okay, we got the Power like and Liquor Rip. Please be a one shot. Oh my gosh. Great Bomb is good thing sleeping. Oh gosh. Okay, confusing Gummy Ring. Okay. I don't know why you would confuse Gummy Ring, but that's good. Gummy Ring, you can break through it. I believe you. You Gummy, yes. Do some damage. Ooh. Take that crit. How much time I got crit death, I only know. Also, there's a new term called quick death I want to introduce. That idiot will die with a critical hit death. Right now 21. And next comes Pencil. And Red Bomb is gonna die but still sleeping. So that's good. So okay, I think yeah, we got this. Why went for Gust? Why did I go for Gust? That's not even effective. Okay, Liquor Rip. Please one shot the Panfist. Okay, I woke up. Don't go for Fire Spin. That's super effective. I didn't even know that. Can be drink is trapped number next time. Oh my god, I see 8 pancakes. I want to eat all of them. I'm a sucker for pancakes. And they're getting Fire Spin. So we're going to Liquor Rip and not Gust. We're going to Secret Power, but let's speed up. I think they're good, right? Oh, Lollipop. Okay. Oh, I think they're good. Oh, Minter is not 22. Okay, let's go for Liquor Rip and Secret Power. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh god, I think we're good. Yep. Liquor Rip, Secret Power should take them down. And we officially took down the gym. I think. Again. Fudge Soft Fallout 46. Minter Knight with nothing. My head hurts. What happened? Oh no, did I drink wine instead of water again by mistake? Okay. We got the Great Bat as the 6th bat, I think. I'm so sorry, I really need to be more careful about my drink. Oh great, here comes all the handle. Sorry, I think you may were underage. I don't know what to drink, Sabrina. I thought you'd give me some tea. I was inside the gym, okay. I thought you'd give me some TMs, but no TMs. I just realized that no gyms give us TMs. Normally they'll give us like Rock Smash, Raspberry, Moo. So Helix also got some decent levels. Even though we already have Cherry Lane, we already have Cherry Lane. Also, I forgot that we have a Tower Turtle, I think, or that Squirt Pie in the cooking dojo, so we can take him. Man, I should have given him the EXP share. Never mind. Since Helix is getting the EXP, let him get the EXP. So I think we got, I think 6 badges. Yep, 2 more to go. So let's fly on our reindeer to, we have to go to, Milky Way. Milky Way and Cookie Coast. So, first let's go to, Berry City to start. And I think we can catch a Pokemon. I mean, we already caught a Pokemon here. I think Shuckle was caught here. Let's see what where we catch it. Shuckle, Milky Coast. So, we already caught a Pokemon in the Milky Coast. Oh, God. I have to exercise and warm up before going out for a swim. Really? Oh my god, ice fish. That's not weird. Just saying. Not. Wait, what? Did Gamini use Mud Shot? Or like that thing? I think he did. Or I think maybe Fudge attacked that. I don't know. Okay. Would you like to surf? Yeah, Snorlax has surf. We are actually swimming on a big bear thing. I think also Helix Center, but I don't know. Okay, let's give a Peanut Pickle or okay, whatever name is going to give you some training, sir. So let's take on you. Wait, slow down, you have a heart attack. Wait, really? Let me check. You're kidding, right? Whoa. You have a lollipop on an inflatable tube. Candy no. Once I had you in the team. And you're awesome. Kind of race. Okay, I don't care. Let's go for Guillotine. I'm gonna smack you. I'm not gonna take out Candy. Come on. We use Candy. Let's take out Licky Chef. I know that you use first shoot. So what? Dominic Sir. I think Licky Chef actually killed Slug Nana with the first shoot. Also, how did Dominic use that? I think Sick Power has that awesome ability. So it's just to you. I want to one shot the Licky or Licky Chef something. I want one shot you. I want to understand that. Wow. Come on, Guillotine. I want Licky Chef to understand the pain of getting one shot. Can we land the Guillotine before Licky Chef or PP goes? Never mind, I went myself. Oh. Berry Punch. Okay. Water Gun. Can we land the Guillotine? see in the next episode of Pokemon Switch. Can we land it, please? Oh my god, we landed it! Fuck that, Licky Chef! How is that being getting one-shotted? That's the same thing I waited for Slugnana. My one Pokemon got pursued by a Licky Chef. So that's good. Yo, I look at the sea to forget all the bad things that happened. I mean, we are not on sea, actually we are on milk. Milky water. Next. Oh, great! The double barrel shift. We also can't use guarantee cost 50 on that, and we don't have the higher level. So, oh god, Licky, if you take down the Shuckle, I'm gonna smack you. But I don't think, come on, it's freaking barrel shift. Look at his tongue. It's like Licky tongue. Ability die. Mighty Helix Fossil, thank you for getting them level. Wood Break. Secret power, the attack rose, dog of cat. You have a bubble. Even the freaking bubble that small girls play with. That's okay, I think that actually. Let's check the town map. Okay. We are in Milky Coast. Okay, this is the Milky Way. So we can catch Pokemon in the Milky Way. So we also catch Pokemon in the Cookie Coast, I think. Yeah. Also we have the Freezer Island. So yeah, I think we can catch 3 Pokemon before the end of the episode. Also these trainers giving some 90 XP to the almighty Helix Fossil. So I don't really use him because we already have Cherry type. But I mean we already do have 2 Lemon types, that is Gummerwing and Pinnacle, but both have no Lemon type move except for Pinnacle who has Bind or Blend. Chocolate Rose, man, that's awesome. It looks cute. So let's take you down with the surf and a big break combo. I mean that's not surf. Oh, Press. That's good. Yo, that looks good, okay? Attack Rose. Why did attack Rose? I don't know. There is a line not effective on both of us. Both are Lemon type. Sun. Critical hit. Yummy Winged Level. Oh, Winterman learning freaking an attacking move. There is a line. Let's get rid of them with Ross. Here, I don't care. Let's go for Bind. I think it's super effective. Attack failed, okay. It's not super, it's not really nice. The attack, it failed attack, so that's good. The Bind, super power. Thank you for one-shotting the guy. Also, when will the almighty Helix Fossil evolve? I think it should evolve relatively quickly. So, you know, let's skip these trainers and let's go catch a Pokemon in the Milky Way. Wow. And that is lucky to be surrounded by women. Just, oh, we have the Milky Way already. So, the first Pokemon we catch, I mean, we see, we can catch, but let's try to avoid all these people. Never mind, we already made it to land. So, Freezer Island. Not trying to catch anything there right now, because we are going to surf and catch the first Pokemon in the Milky Way. Or the repellent off. The first Pokemon in the Milky Way is going to be up something awesome. Please. Level 8 Ice Fish. Okay. That's my camera ball because you're freaking weak. Big hot ice fish which is totally uncool. Ice fish are 8, that sucks. Its most common is the seeds of milk. It's born vanilla but adds flavor to itself to strawberry. So are you a vanilla and strawberry type? That's what I guess. So let's go to the Freeze Island with some repel. Because normally there would be Articuno in this, but what if that's like something based off Articuno? I don't know. Let's put the Super Repel, also with something high level Pokemon, that is Fudgisaur, so we don't run into anything right now. So also I suck at Ice Bull, hopefully you guys know that. I'm not kidding you. Okay. Hey, that's I think the Ruby. I think in post game you can find that. Oh, I want that. Give me some of that. We found Icy, that's it. And after I'm gonna base all my steps. So that Ruby looks suspicious. What happens if we collect them? Oh, there's holes as you fall down the Milky Way. Can we surf here? Okay. I can't go there. Okay. I can't go there, so Freezer Island. Oh, wait, what? That's Deoxys's pad. I don't know what's that. Looks like a Deoxys pad. So we get ice cream. Man, I'm kind of curious to see that. Should I click it or not? I don't know. What if we bump into some legendary there? Some level 58 or 68 or something. Hey, that's a girl here. Yo. Ice cream. So much ice cream. Hee ice cream. Man, I think something's wrong with these people. Oh my god! What happened to Captain Bob? Oh my gosh. Ice Sunday? What is that? I'm kind of scared I'm going to finish our Nuzlocke. Also, we just use Bite or Crunch. Maybe secret power does change. Oh my god. Rain freeze? Oh, is that Blizzard? Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what happened to that guy. Maybe he became like an ice cream addict. But yeah, sugar high. I'm gonna take that down first. Rat. Oh my god. Okay, I was like, maybe will he be the first Pokemon to take Pachar, but no. Does he have really all type? Does he have like all ice cream Pokemon? To the side. Oh god. I'm scared. So Mudpie. Oh god. Brain freeze again. Okay. That's a critical hit. Okay. Sugar high again. Secret power Mudpie. Man, he literally has all Sunday. Go for Monday, super effective, maintain and getting that. Oh god. Oh god. I was like, okay, maintain getting some levels. So you, Mr. Addict of Ice Cream, you're down. God, just look at that guy. Yo, what happened? I love ice cream. You love ice cream, don't you? In this game, you find ice cream. You're the people who love ice cream. That's why I come here for more ice cream. More ice cream. I think that guy's here though. No, we are now down here. So we can fall. Oh god. Then we can move. We can freaking move. So freeze the cave. Quite a tremendous experience. So let's. Ice cream is actually ice cream. A cool that repels heat and boosts grape move. Okay, do we have escape rope? Escape rope. I don't have one. Are you kidding me? I must have. Okay, we have one. Bye bye. I'm not going to go to the cave ever. So let's go catch a Pokemon in the Cookie Village. It's my hometown. One day I used to come here with my mom. Mom wouldn't notice me because I was small. But now I'm a big boy. Cookie Coast. And of course Ripple goes down. Are in the Cookie Coast right now? Because I would rather catch a Pokemon in the grass than in the water course. You know, freaking level 5 or we could catch Pokemon in the grass. I mean in the water. So let's see what we can catch. What if I again run into some level 10 or level... Wait, what? Oh gosh, Team Aqua is blocking or Team Sugar? I don't know. Okay, the first Pokemon run in the Cookie area, Cookie Coast. I think I get it. First Pokemon is going to be I freaking knew it! Not because we got Quillapple, freaking level 8. Why am I cursed with this future? I will... Oh, Mudpie, I see. Okay, getting the Mudpie. Caramel ball should catch because you're freaking weak. You Quillapple. Freaking Quillapple. Level 8, let's see, Quillapple, an uncommon kind of apple fish. Green vegetation has been spotted, but the taste is very different. Level 8, let's see what level these are. Okay, we could have got Mr. Mime, level 22. he could have got this, but myself never he could have got a wine glass, freaking wine glass. But yeah, all the opportunity missed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think Helix is now it's 27, so I'm not going to stop training because we're freaking training until our 27. So I think I want to talk to my mom. That's my house, okay. I'm going to sit to mom and talk about many matters. So hope you enjoy. Please should leave a like. And thank you guys for your support in this Nuzlocke. And thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.